everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Very tasty and delicious rice pilaf. They're so tasty and so easy to make. Super delicious rice pilaf. Let me show you how to make it. These rice pilaf. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty, delicious rice pilaf recipe. I'll be making with Baja Roasted corn blend. These are frozen. It's a 14 ounce, 397 gram. 1 onion cut into long slices. 1 inch ginger, 1 green chili, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, olive oil for tadka. This is a long grain rice. If you like to use basmati rice, you can use it. 2 cup rice. We're not going to soak overnight. We're going to just wash it and we're going to cook it. 4 cup water, spices from masala dabba. And let's start making our delicious rice pilaf with Baja Roasted corn blend. Start burner. Get a karahi or fry pan, whatever you have. And I'm going to use a fry pan. Add olive oil, 1 tablespoon. As the oil starts to heat up, add cumin. Give like 10 seconds, this is good. Add onion. Mix it. Keep it moving and keep cooking. We're going to make sure that onions are nicely translucent. Cooking onion for 2 minutes. Now add ginger and green chili. Mix it well. And keep cooking until onions are nicely translucent. So keep it moving. Onions are nicely translucent. Add Baja Roasted blend, and this is frozen. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, add spices. 1 teaspoon salt. I'm adding pink salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper. Grinder powder, 1 teaspoon. Cooked spices along with tadka. Once all the spices are nicely combined, add water. Mix it well. Cover with the lid and bring the water to boil. As the water started to boil, I'll open the lid, mix it. Now add rice. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, timing is very important. Cover with the lid again and cook exactly 5 minutes on a high gas. It's exactly cooking for 5 minutes on a high gas with cover lid. I'm going to open it and mix it. We're going to stir it 1 time. And now the timing is very important when you're cooking a rice pilaf. If you want to cook to the perfection, then please follow this. After mixing it, bring the gas to simmer. And then let it simmer for 10 minutes. Don't do anything. After 10 minutes, we're going to turn off the gas and we're going to let it sit another 5 minutes before serving. Exactly 10 minutes on a simmer. As I said, timing is very important. So we're going to open it with the help of fork. Mix it just slowly, slowly like this. After mixing it, now it's very important, turn off the gas. Cover with the lid, let it sit for 5 minutes before serving. So once they cool down, then we'll take it out. Another 5 minutes we waited, and I have my serving bowl ready, and we're going to dish out. Oh, delicious rice pilaf. They are very easy to make and they are super delicious. As you can see, each grain is separate. It's not sticky rice. Look at this. Try this with the Baja blend and you're going to like it. Very delicious. Let me share with you. The rice pilaf. You've seen it, it's so easy to make it. Very delicious rice pilaf. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. You always can serve as appetizer or main course dish. Thank you. Bye-bye.